In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit title, sections, header and text in Weebly. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select your website and click Edit Site to open the editor. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. To edit your site title or header, click directly on the text at the top of your page and type your new title. To add or edit section titles, drag the title element from the left panel onto your page, then click and edit the text. For regular content, drag the text element onto your page and type your content. You can format it using options like bold, italic, alignment, and color. To edit a section, click on the section background and choose Edit Background. Here you can change the image or adjust its position. When you're done, click Publish to save your changes. That's how to edit title, sections, header, and text in Weebly. Thanks for watching.